way past time to harvest potatoes. I'm going to do it today. Try not to bother the bees while I'm doing it. So this is the grow bag that I put the potatoes in a couple of months ago. And I'm going to dump this out into the barrel. Let's see what we got. So I dumped the bag upside down, and what was sitting on top went rolled over. And look at that. A nice size red potato. Let's see what else is going on in here. And here's another one. Not too shabby. Oop, here's another one. I was saying there's the seed. It's all gooey. Wow. What I did is I had one potato, I cut it in quarters and buried the 4 pieces. So this is a good harvest. I've hardly dug into this. There's another seed. Some little babies. There's lots of bugs in here. I should probably be wearing gloves. My nails are completely destroyed. Okay, that might be it. Earwigs and things. Pretty sure that's good. And there we have it. Not too bad. I like the grow bag for the potatoes. We might do a couple more next year, a couple different kinds. I'm really happy with this.